Hi friends, in this video we'll continue with Git and cover differences between commits, log options, and change a previous commit with amend. If you're new, make sure you cover your basics by watching my previous videos about Git. Whenever you're changing a file, Git will track what's being changed, and with the git diff command, you can get a clear picture of your work before committing. I'll use some dummy code for this video, which I'll link in the description. Open a file in your repository and delete something in the file. When doing git diff, it will show removed values in red with a minus at the start of the line. And when adding something, git diff will show these in green with a plus sign at the start of the line. The coloring will only happen when you have set this in your git config file, as I showed in my video about Git basics. Let's commit this change. Now let's try moving the dummy file into the dev folder and then try git diff again. As I showed in the previous video about deleting and renaming, the system sees moving the file as a deletion and a new file, which you can see here. Let's commit the changes. You can also use git diff to see the difference between commits. But for this we'll also need the log command. By default, git log shows an extended information about each commit. But if you use the oneline option, this will be easier to read. Then, using git diff with one of the previous commit IDs, you can compare the differences. You can customize the git log command as you want. Here is one version I use often, which shows the ID, date, username, comment, and modified files. This is a long command for which you probably want to create an alias. If you're not familiar with aliases, leave a comment and I'll try to make a video about it. And here is another which you can use to search through the comments. You can find both in the description. The amend option is an easy way to change the most recent commit. It lets you combine new changes with the previous commit instead of creating an entirely new commit. Here's an example. Let's change something in this dummy code, then add and commit the change. Let's assume we wanted to apply another change during the same commit. Instead of creating a new commit, we can apply the change to the last commit, which then combines the two changes and also replaces the comment with the new one. You can skip opening the step in which a text editor is opened by using the M option to enter your comment in the command line. This was yet another video about Git, and I hope to see you in the next one.